What's up, guys, and welcome to my series on how to get started in the washer and dryer business. I'm going to be doing weekly videos on how to get started in this business, tricks and tips for how to make more money in it. Please remember to subscribe because I'm going to be putting out videos on this weekly. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about a couple dryers that I've been working on. I mainly have been working this entire week on a rental project that I've been doing. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll see the free trailer. We've been hooking it up, building the deck, getting the power, the water, everything set up in it, and there's also a bunch of little things to be fixed in it, and pretty much every single day I've been going over there, and me and my brother have been working on it, but he was not able to work the other day, and I was able to do a full day of playing with dryers and show you what I've done. And my shop is once again a mess because I've been working. This dryer is fixed. This dryer is fixed. This dryer just finished a test. It's good to go. Got my stuff all over it. This dryer is just finished a test. It's good to go. This dryer is dead to me. It did not work out. Several things were wrong with it, but it added up to more than what I usually like to pay. I don't like going over about $40 worth of parts. And it was the drum seal, which is right here, was way too messed up and had holes all the way through it. So it was not, and it was making a horrible grinding rub noise. Which usually you can just clean that edge up, and I'll show you what I mean. There's an edge right here, and you can see it's rusted. And you can just hit that with sandpaper, clean that back up. Sometimes all you have to do is clean it up. Sometimes you'll have to paint it a little bit to make it smooth again. But most of the time you can just hit it with sandpaper and clean it up, and then I always use the same heavy-duty silicone around that edge, and it makes it really smooth afterwards and runs much quieter. But that one was just a little too far gone. Had several other issues at one time. If it goes over $40, I kind of give up on it. One of the others I worked on was this guy, and actually I knew what was wrong with it, and I ordered this part. This wheel was messed up and was bored out on the back side. It was missing the keeper that was holding this on, and it was allowing it to come out a little too far. This is the idler pulley wheel. So I ordered another. I think it was $10 prime, and got to throw that on there, and it will be good to go. And actually, I've tested it. It works everything except for that wheel is outrageously loud and squeaking. So I'll throw that part on there. That was going to be a really easy fix. But this is what you can do in a couple hours, and this is not a waste. This machine, I'm going to be able to pull off, even though there's several things wrong with it, I'll be able to pull several things off of here that will be handy for other machines. So I got $15 is what I buy broken dryers for, unless they're a trade-in. I always take $20 off if someone's willing to bring me a trade-in. So possibly I have between $15 and $20 in this one, and I'll pull several parts off of it. I'll be able to scrap it out for probably $5, something like that at the end of the day. And I don't scrap out until I get a real decent pile. But this has been a super busy last month. I've barely been home at all. I leave early in the morning and I come back at night to do any sales, so I have not been around to actually sell much of anything. But what you can do in one day, this is what the best part about this business is. If you have spare time, you can literally walk out to your shop and use that spare time to make money. And right now, this is also getting close to season, meaning tax return season will be coming in soon. And whenever tax returns hit, same thing as when the stimulus check hit. A lot of you guys know that sell appliances already. That was an extremely busy season right afterwards. And it makes sense when you think about it. If someone needs a washer and dryer, they're going to, and they don't have money and they get a tax return in, that's a pretty big priority, especially if you're going to the laundromat. So that's the first thing they're going to get. If they didn't get enough of a check in to buy a brand new one, they're going to go and buy a used one, and that's when season starts. So I always like to really stock up. It always seems like it's slow this time of year, and it is a little bit slower, but this time of year I really like to stock up on how many I can have fixed and ready to go. And if I don't sell them right now, that's fine. As long as I have a pile ready for season, I'll make my money back in a couple months when season hits here, and everything I have will sell. I've actually never been able to keep up with season. I've had a lot of washers and dryers that I'll finish around December, and then when tax returns start coming in mid-January, starting February, it's just as many as you can have I could sell. But that's it for this video, guys. If you like this, please like, please subscribe. Also, check out my playlists that aren't just for the business. I also have a playlist on how to fix pulse play washers, how to fix direct drive washers, how to fix the regular type of dryers. So you can just go through those. If you have any issues with stuff you're trying to fix to do this business, first go through those videos. I kind of break down every single problem you could possibly have. And if you have a problem that I did not break down, just put it in the video or put it in the comments down below and I'll make a video on it. All right, we'll see y'all next time.